In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replicate a project by using templates effectively. This is a great way to streamline your work process, especially if you frequently find yourself repeating similar tasks. Let's dive right in and see how you can create a template from your existing projects. First, you'll want to go into the project that you wish to replicate. This essentially means opening up the specific project that you're currently working on and would like to use as a base for future projects. It's important to have this chosen so we can proceed with crafting our template from it. Once you're in the right project, locate the Options menu, which is represented by a kikiig symbol. This is a common icon that usually indicates some additional settings or actions you can take. Click on this menu and you'll see a drop-down with various choices. What you're looking for here is the option that says Save as a Project Template. Selecting this will initiate the process of converting your project into a reusable template. Now, after choosing to save your project as a template, you'll be prompted to set a name and description for it. This is where you really tailor your template to suit its future purpose. Make sure to give your template a clear, descriptive title so that you can easily identify its function among your other projects. For the description, provide as much detail as necessary to explain what this template includes and what kind of work it can support. This step will be tremendously helpful whenever you or anyone else on your team needs to use it later on. Furthermore, you have the decision to make regarding what elements of the original project you want to include in your template. Typically, you'll be given options like to-dos, assignments, or comments. Be strategic with these choices. For instance, include to-dos if they are recurring tasks that will always apply to new projects spawned from this template. Assignments might be useful if certain roles are always responsible for certain tasks. Comments could be helpful if there are perpetual notes or insights that apply across all projects. Consider what will maintain clarity and keep the template useful without overcrowding it with unnecessary details. Once you've set up the name, description, and selected elements, your template will be ready to be used. To kick off a new project based on this template, you'll need to employ method number 1, which typically involves selecting the template from a designated area within your project management tool and initiating a new project setup. From there, it's usually a straightforward process of confirming the setup and beginning your new work. There you have it, a streamlined process for creating, customizing, and launching projects from templates. This method is not only efficient, but also ensures consistency and organization in your workflow, ultimately saving you time and effort in the long run. Happy project managing!